Prove that the difference between two consecutive square numbers is always an odd number. So we want the difference between two consecutive square numbers. So if my consecutive numbers were n and n plus 1, they're consecutive, one after one another, then those square numbers would be n squared and n plus 1 squared. And I want to show the difference between them is always an odd number. So difference between them, I want to do the bigger one, take away the smaller one. So this is the difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers. Right, expanding these brackets out, the n plus 1 squared, n plus 1 times n plus 1. N times n is n squared. N times 1 is n. 1 times n is n. And then the 1 times the 1 is 1. Not forgetting we need to subtract the n squared. So collecting up the like terms, the n squareds will cancel out. We've got 2n plus 1, which is always an odd number. And we know that's an odd number because anything times 2 is always an even number, and one more than an even number has to be an odd number.